Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain Excel table options. Guys, we have different types of table options are available, like include new rows and columns, and automatically fill formulas, and use table names in formulas. So these are the different types of table options are available. Okay, now I will show you how exactly these options will works in Excel. Okay, so first option, include new rows and columns. Okay, let's assume if I want to add new data to this particular table, just enter over here. Automatically this table formats gets generated. See, automatically table formats gets generated. And also if you want to add any new column, just enter I want to add tax column. So as soon as you are hit enter button, automatically this column gets generated. So that is the feature, that is the one option for include new rows and columns option. So first understand how to enable this option. So go to backstage view, go to options. See, here we have option called grouping. Go to this option, then click on this auto correct options. Okay, see here automatically applied this include new rows and columns in table. Okay, you by default it is not enable, we have to enable manually. Just click on this. Okay, automatically it will enable. Okay, so that is the one of the feature in Excel table option. Okay, so and also if you want to add automatically fill formulas, it means let's suppose I want to calculate tax on this total. Okay, so first I will select this total. Okay, then I will calculate tax percentage. I want to calculate tax percent 5% tax percent. Okay, just hit enter button. See, as soon as you are hit enter button, automatically all tax is calculated in this all these totals. Okay, that is the one of the feature to fill automatically fill formulas option. Okay, so now I will show you how to enable this option. So go to backstage view, go to options. Okay, go to grouping. So next select auto correct options. Okay, then select this option, fill formulas in tables to create calculated columns. Okay, I have already selected this option. Okay, click on OK button. Automatically this particular option is applied this particular table. Okay, now another one is use table names in formulas. Okay, so how exactly this option will works, I will show you. Okay, so I want to calculate total sum of this tax. Okay, use sum, select all these cell ranges. Okay, sum. Okay, select this total tax. See here, whenever you are selecting these ranges, it will display table name as well as tax name, tax column names. It is not displayed any these rows names. Did you observe over here? So that is the beauty of this use table names in formulas. Okay, so how to enable this option I will show you. Okay, go to again backstage view, go to options. See, here we have option called formulas. See here one option called working with formulas option. Select this use table names in formulas. Okay, select this option. Okay, click on OK button. Automatically this particular option is applied to this particular table. So these are the different types of table options are available in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.